everyone, welcome to Kalamandir, the best shopping world. Thank you so much for choosing our brand Kalamandir. We are getting tremendous response. Our sarees are very genuine in price and we never compromise with our quality. In the description, you'll be providing with all these saree links that I'm showcasing in this episode. Click on your favorite saree code. It will direct our website and makes your shopping very simple. Or else, while watching the episode, take screenshot along with the saree codes and share us on 8926760760. Cash and delivery option is available and shipping is free all over the India. Today, our collection is Abhinava Pattu sarees with 30% off discount. Let's begin our show. Here is the lovely Abhinava Pattu saree. Light and dark blue combination. All over body we got self embossed weaving, very beautiful, and also we got zari buttas. And coming to the border, we got contrast border with florals and also with this diamond kadi. And pallu, we got a rich pallu with zari weaving all over, beautiful and grand. Yes, this beautiful saree got a contrast blouse with border. The saree cost is 1849 and after discount it is 1290. Let's move on to next saree. Yes, always traditional combination, green and pink color combination. This Abhinava Pattu saree, all over body got a beautiful pattern, very detailed designing, zari florals and peacock motifs in boxes and circles, beautiful pattern. And coming to the border, we got a kadi border, zari kadi, and also an edge. It is music theme. Yes, it is contrast pallu with hues leaf motifs. This lovely saree got a contrast blouse with border. The saree cost is 2609 and after discount it is 1830. Let's move on to next saree. Yes, here is the lovely combination, cream and pink color. All over body we got self embossed florals. Coming to the border, we got a brocade border and also with a combination of paisleys and florals, very beautiful, contrast border and contrast pallu, heavy pallu, zari florals all over. Yes, beautiful blouse, contrast blouse with self-embossed design and also with border. This beautiful saree cost is 2159 and after discount it is 1510. To purchase this saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760 or else saree code will be provided in the description. Click on that, it will direct our website from where you can shop very easily. Let's move on to next saree. Yes, lovely blue color saree, all over body we got zari hues floral motifs, very grand. And border we got hues border contrast with zari kadi, peacock motifs and florals. Elephants are also there and lovely deeds. Wow, beautiful theme. And contrast pallu with hues paisleys and tree motifs and also with temples. This saree we got plain contrast blouse with border. The saree cost is 2609 and after discount it is 1830. To purchase this saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760. We are also continuously updating our latest collections on our WhatsApp group. To join our group, link is provided in the description. Click on that so that you will be never miss out our latest collections. Let's move on to next saree. So here it is, pink and blue color combination, Abhinava Pattu saree. All over body we got zari floral zal, very grand, and border it is contrast with half kadi and half with floral and leaves jal, and also you can find cute temples design here, and contrast pallu, brocade pallu and also with paisleys. This beautiful saree paired up with a plain contrast blouse with self-embossed design and also with border. This beautiful saree cost is 3629 and after discount it is 2540. To purchase this saree, procedure is same. Take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760 or else code will be given in the description. Click on that. While purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on our WhatsApp number 8926760760. Our customer support team will get back to you and assist you with all your queries. Next saree. Yes, here is lovely blue and pink color combination. Body we got lotus flowers zari weaving, very different, and lovely contrast border with hues paisleys, medium paisleys and circles florals, and contrast pallu, brocade pallu all over, very heavy. It's plain contrast blouse with border. This lovely saree cost is 3629 and after discount it is 2540. To purchase this saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760 or else saree code will be provided in the description. Click on that, it will direct the website and makes your shopping very simple. For more collections and updates, do follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and also on our website www.kalamandir.com. Next saree. Lovely light green and deep pink color combination all over body. We got beautiful dollars with self-embossed and also with zari, very grand. And contrast border with khadi and paisleys aligned as sleeves, very different border. And contrast pallu with zari cross lines and florals. Yes, this beautiful saree got a lovely contrast blouse with self-embossed design and also with border. The saree cost is 2,159 and after discount it is 1,510. Next saree, lovely mustard yellow and pink color saree all over body. We got beautiful zari tree motifs and lovely contrast border with half kari and half with floral zal, very different. And here is the contrast pallu with hues paisleys and also with khadi. This beautiful saree paired up with a contrast plain blouse with border. The saree cost is 2,609 and after discount it is 1,830. Next saree, very divine combination, purple and navy blue color all over body. We got zari ethnic motifs, very different, and contrast border with half kadi and half with floral zal. And contrast pallu, brocade pallu, plain contrast blouse with border. The saree cost is 2,609 and after discount it is 1,830. To purchase this saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760 or else saree code will be provided in the description. Click on that, it will direct the website and makes your shopping very simple. One more lovely color combination is available in the same pattern. Let's see. Here is amazing combination, pink and navy blue color combination all over body. We got this zari hues motifs and border. It is contrast with half kadi and half with floral zal. And for this beautiful saree, we got a heavy pallu all over zari weaving and blouse plain contrast with border. The saree cost is 2,609 and after discount it is 1,830. To purchase all these sarees, links are provided in the description. Please find, click on your favorite saree code, it will direct the website and makes your shopping very simple, or else take screenshots of the saree codes and share us on 8926760760. Cash on delivery option is available and shipping is free all over the India. Hope you all like today's our beautiful collection Abhinava Pattu sarees with flat 30%. Thank you so much for choosing our brand Kalamandir. This is Radhika. Keep smiling, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.